Hey gorgeous, so if you're looking for some bomb hair for your hot girl fall season, well stay tuned.
Icy. My type. We got London on the track. See on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jeelovee and welcome back to my channel. So you guys look, if you're new here, welcome. If you're OG, well, hey, OGs, I feel like I be talking a lot in my intro, so we gonna make it short and cute, but look at this bomb hair, y'all. It looks better during the video. So definitely stay tuned because it's about to get lit. And if you're looking for a hot girl fall, or you gotta go on a date, or somebody's hiring you to go on a date for them for Thanksgiving, well, sis, I got your Thanksgiving hair, or your Christmas hair, or any type of hair that you need. I got you, sis, because fall is coming up and you need to be cute. Guys, so I just wanted to let you know about a little more about this hair. This is from the company I don't know. Yeah, I work with so many companies. I know what company it is, but I just don't remember the name. I'm sorry. I work with so many companies that I be confusing. Well, I just don't remember each name, but the name would definitely be here. They would get all their credits because baby, this hair is so bomb. I love it. Like, this is one of the most like beautiful, I'm not even gonna say it because I was gonna say this is one of the most beautifulest hair, but that don't make sense. But it's so gorgeous. Like, I really think it's so perfect for this upcoming fall season. It is so pretty. You can wear it any style you like. If you like side parts on this side, well baby, we got you with a side part on this side. If you want to wear it in the middle part because you feel like you want to be a little fancy and plain, well sis, we got that for you too. If you want to wear it on this side, we got you. So you literally can part it anywhere you want, whether if it's from all the way down here. The parting goes very deep. I love this hair so much, and it looks natural, and that's why I just be like, oh, whatever. That's pretty much like how I be, because it's just so bomb. I think that's pretty much all I wanted to really mention. That, like, this is one of my favorite wigs. I love it so much because you can do so many styles with it, and the texture and the feel of it is gorgeous. Gorgeous.
So how did y'all like that video? I definitely tried to do my best to give you you know, really what it is with this hair. So I really do hope you guys liked it, because I love it. And if you again are looking for this type of hair, this type of hair, I definitely recommend this company for this hair, like for this hairstyle. That's what I'm trying to say. This is pretty much the outro. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you got more ideas, drop them down in the comments, because I don't want to focus always on hair, but you know, I'm good at it. So, and I'm customizing wigs now. Okay, girl. But y'all see the hairline. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. That's from Auntie Saw. If y'all don't know her, well, she's in Philly. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Jeelovee OnTV. And don't forget to stay tuned for more.